Alright, so we're going to make a Statue of Liberty face. First step is to fold it down, fold it again. Hey, do you know why the Statue of Liberty is green? I'll tell you why. I'm going to throw a little science in here with our art. The Statue of Liberty used to be, well, it was originally made out of iron and copper overlay. So like an iron frame with copper overlay. And it's put outside, obviously, and the copper turned green, bluish green, because of the chemical reaction between the rain, water, and the metal. So that was a fun fact. So here we go. Our papers are folded 1, 2, and then open. All right, our first step, this fold in the middle, this is what we're working on. We're going to make a small, I'm using Sharpie, you're using pencil, you're going to go over it in Sharpie. I'm using Sharpie so you can see it. We're going to make a small rainbow about halfway. So here's halfway, halfway to halfway. So what's that? A quarter of a way. There we go, right there. Make another dot halfway between the halfway and that. Right there. A small rainbow that connects the 2 dots. Okay? Now, from this halfway to the bottom, make a dot. That's not the dot we're using. We're going to make a dot halfway between that dot and that dot. Right there. That's the dot we're using. Okay, so we're going to come down and meet at the dot. Come down and meet at the dot. This is her face, the beginning of her face. All right, next step. We need to make her neck. Now this is not a neck where you put a little line right here and a line. That's too puny of a neck. If that was a real neck, her head would fall right over. Let's go to the, wherever your curve is. See this curve? Wherever that curve is will be the line. Wherever this curve is will be the line. Okay? Nice strong necks. All right, let's go back up to the top. Here's the middle fold. See the middle fold? We're going to start right on that line where the middle fold is. This is her hair. So it swoops down and over. This side swoops down and over. Okay? Her ear starts right at that hairline. It's just a little ear that sticks out. Just a little ear that sticks out. Okay, now we're going to start making her crown. Okay, from this edge, make a short line slanted. From this edge, make a short line slanted. Good. Now connect it with a rainbow. Very nice. Okay, now she needs her spikes. She has 7 spikes. I'm going to ask you after the video why she has 7 spikes and see if you know. All right, our first spike is going to go right on this fold. Okay, so start up here, go down. It's just a big letter A. Don't make them too wide. These are little thin spikes. The next spike is going to go over here. It's going to be shorter than this one. Partly because we're running out of paper, and partly because it's behind this one. It's further away, so it's shorter. Next spike is over here. Okay, so we have 3 spikes. Now, do you see how this one's the tallest? It's going to need to go shorter, shorter, short. Now, listen very carefully. This is the tallest, this is the tallest. This one will be the shortest. So our next one, we've got to fit 2 right here and 2 right here. Our next one will go up, not as tall, but not as tall. Not as tall, but taller. Up and down. Our next one, not as tall, but taller. Up, then down. See that? Watch again. Not as tall as this one, but taller than that one. Up and down. Not as tall as this one, but taller than that one. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice, boys and girls. This is the hardest part of the crown. So we got to get all 7 spikes on there. Okay, we're going to make some squares in her little crown. So we're going to follow this curve. Down, down, follow this curve. Follow the curve. Down, down, follow the curve. One more, we'll make 6 squares. One more over here, follow the curve. Down, down, follow that curve. Follow the curve. Down, down, follow that curve. Okay? All right. We need to make her have long hair. Okay? So from her top right here, where the crown meets the hair, follow it down. Go past the ear. Don't chop her ear off. There. From the top of the crown right here, go down, go past her ear. Don't chop her ear off. Like that. Okay? Hey, if you want her to have more gorgeous locks, you could do like that. Okay? She doesn't have curly hair, so if you want to do more gorgeous locks, you can go a little swoop in and a little swoop in, just once on either side. All right. Remember that little dot we put in the middle? That's where her nose is going to go. Make a line. There's the middle. So just a little line, not too big. Curve it around and up. There's her nose. All right. In line with her ears is where the eyes are going to go. They don't go way up here and they don't go way down here. They go right in line with the ears. And it's a rainbow, rainbow, upside down rainbow, upside down rainbow. Fill in the circles. Okay? Lips. Here's the middle of her face. Kind of swoop it, kind of swoop it, and bring it around. Let's add a little chin right there, just for fun. Okay? So our Liberty is done, and we are going to cut it out.